Adjust baking time on SD Amigo panel. To adjust the baking time, start by turning on the oven. Once the oven is running, the baking time will appear in the fourth display from the top. You can easily set the time using the plus and minus buttons next to the display. If the baking time is shorter than 1 hour, the time will be shown in minutes and seconds in the display. If it is longer than 1 hour, it will be displayed in hours and minutes. Start the baking timer by pressing the start button. You can add or remove time at any moment during the countdown, using the plus and minus buttons. When baking with steam, the steam must first heat up before the baking time can be started. The steam is ready when the diode next to the steam time shows a steady light. When starting the baking timer, the steam will be active for the numbers of seconds set in the steam display. If you don't want to use the steam when baking, press the minus button next to the steam display until it shows off. When the baking time runs out, the panel will flash and the oven alarm will sound. Remember, the baking time is just a timer. The oven continues to heat to the set temperature. The panel resets to the last baking settings when you press the Start/Stop button.